8250 Latona Ave Northeast, dates July 5th, 2022. Looking at that large offset out in the middle of the road out there. Just getting an update video for this line now that the lining on property has been completed for 8250. So we're down there out in the middle of the road, kind of coming back from that point back towards the property here. This is a 6-inch shared line between the two homes. Coming up out of the shared line now and back into the line that services just 8250. You'll see that 4-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipeliner we installed. Here is the gap in that liner for the downspout connections. I'm actually going to go locate this spot on the property here real quick. I'm going to pause and locate. Alright, resuming the recording. That's about 7 feet deep in the yard up here. Back into that liner now. Coming back towards the excavation we did at the cast iron connection here. So we're back into the PVC repair now associated with the excavation and with what's going to be the clean out install and where these downspouts are connected up here. I want to get a look at the repair. That open section of pipe is the clean out that's going to rise up to the surface, and that branch arm connection is the downspouts from the back of the house. I'm going to end the video there.